Greetings and welcome to Liso Stackhouse videos, and today we have finally Cargo Carriers, the second set from 2018 Car Culture. And yeah, they're finally here. They took their sweet time, but better late than never. Let's take a look. So first of all, artwork, same theme for all 5 cars. Main car, main and center, with some environment that fits said car. 5 car sets, once again, with a new casting and a modification of a casting that previously appeared in the main line. And yeah, pretty neat. Starting with this Volkswagen T1 panel bus. That's a very nice one. The only other panel bus I have, or T1 panel bus, was the one they did in the Pop Culture series dedicated to the Grateful Dead. Really awesome version. And this one, well, I still prefer the Grateful Dead version because I'm not a big fan of Moon Eyes. But other than that, it's, yeah, full detail, nice wheels, I like it. So this is number 1 in 5. Number 2, finally I have a Ford Transit Supervan. I missed on the Heritage Real Riders version, and I still want that one because for me it's the best so far. This is come second best, I would say. My only gripe with this is the wheel choice. Even the artwork doesn't really fit the wheel choice. Not the wheels per se, but the rubber, it's the stretch tires. Yeah, I don't think it really fits the car. Make it look too much like a custom and not as a proper, I don't know, car from the era. Other than that, yeah, Golf livery. You can't go wrong with Golf livery, with the full detail. So pretty good. Number 3, the Volkswagen Senegan. A very old casting I was not really aware of. The last time it appeared was in the Entertainment series as part of the Magnum PI. Pretty neat what they did with this one. This moves, we will see once it's open. Back, yeah. Same wheels as the Transit van. Yeah. Somehow it works better with this one. Number 4, brand new casting. The Nissan, another Nissan, the Citan Skyline wagon, or wagon, let's say wagon. Pretty neat. Good, interesting stance. And an interesting choice for a Hot Wheels car, I would say. Especially like this with stock deco, I mean, because the stance itself is not stock at all. It's very it's lowered, and yeah, nice. Finally, and this may be a shocker, but for me it's probably my favorite of the bunch, it's the Honda Odyssey, the Bisimoto Honda Odyssey, as you can see here in the back. So based on the rear car, and apparently this is a monster of a car with something like 1,000 horsepower. So it's a revised casting. The mainline version used to be metal, plastic, and then plastic, and this one is all metal. It's one piece, and this also, and the top also have been modified with this kind of luggage roof. And yeah, the thing is, okay, so one thing I would say now, and will not repeat later, is that, okay, so there's been an increase in price and now it's supposed to be full deco, but, well, yeah, there's more deco, but it's still not full deco. Here we have pretty much everything. Here, yeah, good. And then in the front, yes, we have the headlights, we have this, but this is supposed to be gray or black. The grill here, as you can see here. And this also is not supposed to be transparent. You see here? It's supposed to be this, like this. So, and it's not just this model, the others also have the same kind of issue. So it's more details, yes. Full deco, not quite there yet. If you want full deco, I guess you still have to buy the very expensive RLC models. So I'm going to open this and then we will have a closer look. So here they are fresh out of the package, starting with the T model T-Bus. Yeah, not much to say about this. It's a fine casting. Yeah, it's fully tempered, more or less. And I wish it was something more stock, maybe, with a little bit like what they did for the, a little bit like what they did for the Senegon right there. But yeah, I'm happy to have another one in my collection. But definitely not my favorite in the set. This one is close to be my favorite because that's a Supervan. It's quite an amazing machine. It has a GT40 engine in the back. Yeah, quite a monster. And yeah, nice decos, nicely done. Not based on an actual Supervan with Golf liveries, but considering the GT40 had the Golf liveries at some point, it's a nice touch. Next one, the Stanagon. Not a casting I'm familiar with, but I'm happy to have it. Yeah, pretty good. For such an old casting, when was it made? Does it say anything? No, but it was in the, if I'm not mistaken, in the 80s. And yeah, with this remove this plastic part on top, that's a neat touch too. I gotta say, now that I have this one in hand, I really want to find that Magnum PI version. I passed on it multiple times and now I really regret it. And yeah, those wheels work with this one, I think. But yeah, if it was full detailed, this should be black, as you can see here. Oh well, maybe with the next price increase. The Skyline. I guess a lot of people are trying to get this one. Well, I'm not a huge JDM fan. I just like every type of car, and I can understand why some JDM cars are so highly sought after. This one is kind of an oddity. I have no idea until this that there was a wagon version of the Skyline. But so just because of that, it's nice to have. And yeah, the execution is pretty nice. Like nothing super fancy. Well done. And like I said at the beginning, my favorite of the bunch, because, well, I don't know, it looks awesome. And the fact that, like the Supervan, it hides an amazing amount of power under the hood. I really like this, what they did in the back here, going the extra mile for this. Very cool. Yeah, the fact that this is transparent is maybe a little bit of a bummer. They could maybe have painted it, because on the card it's some kind of gray plastic, but maybe that was too much to ask for that price point. So maybe, I don't know, or I can always paint it, I suppose. But I really like this casting. I like the color, I like the wheel choice. Definitely my favorite. So another very cool, I would say, set from the Car Culture series. The next one is the Eurospeed, and It's already hitting stores in the US, and I'm really looking forward to it because, well, there's a Porsche in it, 993 GT2, so I can't pass this on, and the artwork is awesome. The car choice is pretty good. There's a new Audi R8 LM, that's worth a look. And after that, it will be the Twin Transport, and that is the one I really can't miss. It looks amazing. Anyway, so this is my point of view on the cargo carrier set. What did you guys think? Did you manage to get the whole set? Did you only get the cars you wanted? Which one is your favorite? Do you agree with me that this one is the best? Would you rather have chosen this one? Just let me know in the comments down below. You can follow me also on Instagram at Eliseo Diecast, and I hope to see you again very soon. Take care. Bye bye.